Prep Charter School is a tuition-free public charter school serving grades kindergarten through 12 in Somerset and New Brunswick locations. CJCP is a college preparatory school with a rigorous educational program that focuses on developing and sharpening the skills of each student. The purpose is to prepare students to carry the torch of knowledge, freedom, and prosperity. The new campus in New Brunswick upholds the same standards with small class sizes, smart classrooms, extended English and math curricula, and personalized guidance. CJCP has a proven academic track record with 100% graduation and a 100% college admission rate since 2012. Central Jersey College Prep Charter School. Excellence in education. Apply now at www.cjcollegeprep.org.
What is it? Bone chilling. Yes. But I'm happy that you came, and hopefully this is going to be a great experience for you and for your child. And we'll go ahead and get started. Like I promised in the orientation, I'd like to go over the process for the lottery so that we all it's a very technical process, and the entire process is regulated by the law, New Jersey Charter School law. So we're just following the law. Like I said, tonight we are doing only Midland High School, grade 6 through 12. And if you're here for an elementary lottery, you're at the right place at the wrong time. And so we're going to be doing elementary lottery next week. Let me briefly go over what these numbers mean. We have two middle school campuses, one here in Somerset, the other one is in New Brunswick. In each middle school we offer grades 6, 7, and 8. And so the enrollment process between two locations is somewhat separate. And new students from New Brunswick and North Brunswick are directed to our New Brunswick campus in middle school grade. Students from Franklin are directed to our Somerset location. So that's by the directives from the New Jersey Department of Education. And going back to the chart, 6 SM means 6th grade Somerset. So basically in district is Franklin applications. We have received 54 applications from Franklin for 6th grade. And we only have 22 slots available in 6th grade. And we currently have 15 applications for siblings, meaning those 15 seats out of 22 will be given to siblings. So basically we're gonna pick 7 new students out of 54. For New Brunswick, we received 43 applications together or between New Brunswick and North Brunswick. And we have 55 new slots available in New Brunswick. Basically, all these 43 New Brunswick and North Brunswick students for 6th grade are automatically admitted because we have more seats than the number of applications that we've received. And we have 32 applications from other townships, whether it's Piscataway or Metuchen or wherever it is, as long as the student lives in New Jersey. We have 4 sibling applications for Franklin, but we don't have any slot available in Franklin. That means those 4 students will be placed on the top of the waiting list. And we have 3 sibling applications for New Brunswick locations. Since all applicants from New Brunswick and North Brunswick are in already for 7th grade, so the sibling status here is a moot point. For 8th grade, we received 46 applications and 46 applications from New Brunswick, North Brunswick, and Franklin. And 19 applications from other townships, and we only have 5 seats available in New Brunswick. And so we'll pick 5 students from out of those 46. And we have 3 siblings applications for 8th grade. 9th grade, we have 43 applications. We only offer 9th grade in Somerset, this location. We have 43 applications from the 3 townships in our attendance region. And we have 25 applications from other townships, and we're going to enroll between 9th and 10th grade based on the available spaces in classes, because in high school level you go by classes. We're going to be enrolling 27 students altogether. And we have 3 sibling applications in 9th grade and 1 sibling applications in 10th grade. And as far as 10th grade applications are concerned, we have 11 from New Brunswick, North Brunswick, and Franklin. Or they qualify for weighted lottery, meaning their names will be included 3 times in the lottery as opposed to once. The process is for each grade level. We have 2 separate pools, in district and out of district. In district students are given enrollment preference by law. And in each category, siblings gets the first priority. Order of enrollment preference. This is for the grades with available seats. Basically, for the most part, not exhaustive list of grades. For the most part, kindergarten and 6th grade, siblings first, and then in district lottery winners. And in most cases, we have more application than capacity. Then some of those in-district students are placed in the waiting list, and then out-of-district students are added to the end of the waiting list. For other grades where there is no available seat, on top of the waiting list, we have siblings, and then in-district waitlist students, and then out-of-district waitlist students. Today we're doing Midland High School. Next week we're going to be doing elementary lottery. The timeline is March 7 and 14 are the lotteries. Starting March 15, you're going to be receiving emails about the placement of your child. Starting March 15 through the 31st, we expect the lottery winners to complete the paperwork. Enrollment paperwork, it's a lengthy list. Most of those documents are required by the state. And they're all going to be posted on our website. You may download them, fill them out, either upload it to the system, or you can print them out and bring it to our school. That process has to be complete by the 31st, otherwise the seat that was granted to your child will be considered available. And starting April 10th, we're going to invite students from the waiting list to enroll.
So they have to re-enroll if they are on the wait list?
If they are on the wait list, and if student is invited to enroll, what you put is an application, it's not an enrollment. Then there is a set of paperwork that you need to complete, and yes, and so that's what needs to happen starting April 10th. Okay. You're welcome. So notes and false information on the application form. From time to time we deal with that. Parents, or we have noticed inaccurate addresses, and part of the enrollment paperwork is a proof of residency, and we need to make sure that the proof of the address shown on the proof of residency is the address that was put in the application form, so that there is no unfairness to anybody, because the residency would impact the chance of getting admission to the school. So between the lottery and the enrollment, if you move within the region of residence, whether you move from Franklin to New Brunswick or North Brunswick, or you move within the township, there is no problem with that, as long as you stay within our region of residence. But if you move out of region of residence, if you move from Franklin to Piscataway, we have a problem. Then your child is going to be considered out of district student and will be placed at the end of the waiting list. Change in the custody, and it happens as well, like between the application and the enrollment, people divorce, and one parent moves out of district and the other one stays in the district. Then we need to make sure that the child is staying with the one who stays in the district, so that the child is still considered an in-district student. And in that case, we're going to require a copy of the court order, custody document actually. Nephews and nieces living with uncles are not their own kids. They're related, they're relatives, but they're not their own kids. So uncles may not be putting applications for nephews and nieces as long as, or unless they have the custody of the child, education custody. These are real examples, by the way. These are not made up. Yes. Would that apply to you? No. Okay.
I just want to make a joke.
Okay.
Aunts are qualified?
Well, I guess I'm going to add it as we deal with that, in the future.
I was going to say grandparents.
Grandparents, aunts, yes. And it's a matter of custody. Good joke, though. All right, with that, that concludes my presentation. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the next step. It's going to be a long night, and I wish you good luck for your child. And regardless, thank you so much for attending. We appreciate it.
Can I ask you two questions?
Yes.
So, if you live in Somerset or Franklin, and there's still seats available, like for middle school for New Brunswick, you still can't attend?
No, that's a really good question. Franklin students are directed to Somerset only, and we kind of keep the polls separate because of the direction from the state. And we had students in the very first year from Franklin, about a handful of students. The point here is to minimize the transportation costs for the districts, and the Department of Education does not like the fact that Franklin students are attending New Brunswick location.
Okay, and if you move
great question. If you move from, let's say your child is, you live in North Brunswick, for example, and then your child is enrolled in our New Brunswick location, right? And at some point you move to Franklin, we transfer your child. The purpose here is the transportation, like who is providing the transportation? The district. If you live in Franklin, Franklin is going to provide transportation for this campus in Somerset.
Right, but if you're already enrolled, like let's say, you know, you've been here for a couple of years and you move to like a different district, not one of your sending districts?
Oh, if you are enrolled already and your child started the school, after day one you can move wherever, as long as you stay in New Jersey. Okay? All right, thank you so much. With this, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is the actual lottery. We're gonna read out the numbers to protect the privacy of every applicant. No names, no initials whatsoever. And I hope you have the numbers that were assigned to you at the time of application. Please keep it out. And yes, that's the one on the barcode. I can disconnect my computer. Sure. And in fact, I'll mute my microphone.
So we're going to start with siblings, 6th grade.
All right, for your information, you'll see some of these. Can you turn on the microphone for me? And you would see some of these labels already sticks. These are the siblings that have automatic enrollment already. Like I said, there are 9 of them for New Brunswick, 6th grade, and we have more than 9 seats available. So since they are the winners already, on the board. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.
So now we're going to start with the Somerset sibling winners.
H49, A, 2E, CD, 7D. HE, 95, 4D, 33F. HE 95 4D 33F.
Just as if you guys are wondering what this red means, it means that you have your application 3 times because you qualify for free and reduced lunch or ELL. So whenever you see red, yeah, you can you can stick it on there just for proof. Yeah.
HB D3 DC 7E DD. FA 9G 5H HA HA. CF 53 CB 5F. H6 H5 BE DB H7 F9, DG, FE, 6D, D9,
Oh, sorry.
6E, E2, B7, DB, A4. 2F, FD, HB, 3A, 9H. AE, 9F, 5B, 9D, F6. 5-6, 3-5, 5B, EF, 4G. 'BF, H5, DH, 6-2, 4D. 'F6, AB, 4H, G5, 6-7.
All right, now we're going to move on to 6th grade in district.
Nine F, 6-5, 5C, 2-2, 3E.
Can I have that one back, Morgan? Yeah, I just need to scan. You don't have to stick it. Okay.
3A, EH, 5B, 4A, D9. 2-9, EE, 4H, A4. 'B7, GD, 2-4, 6E, G5.
I have 3. Yeah.
C9, DE, 6-9, 2-3, D4. 'A3, G2, G4, GG, DD. 'AE, FA, 2H, 6E, CA. 'E2, 3-6, 4E, DG, 2-9. 'F6, F2, 3-7, 4G, 4H. 2-9, EE, 4H, A4. 'GF, BB, H6, BA, 4-9. It's on.
Testing. I lost it.
2H, D2, D2, C9, 9G. 3-7, GF, 5C, 6-6, A4. ED, C2, BB, 24, GA, G3, A7, CF, BG, F9, (29) EE, EE, 4H, A4, FE, F7, 3G, EG, HD, (5A), A5, AF, EH, G2, (4E), 2A, DH, 4F, 6H. (6-5), 9A, CE, 6B, C4, GF, G3, AF, H5, 3G. (3E), C9, A3, A6, 7-4, (6H), DG, 3-3, HC, 3G. (7C), 4-2, DC, AH, 9-4, (3E), C9, A3, A6, 7-4, F6, F2, 3-7, 4G, 4H, (6H), DG, 3-3, HC, 3G, (7-6), GA, 7G, C7, 3-9. EG, CF, 6-7, G9, 6D. (3-7), GF, 5C, 6-6, A4. (5D), 7-3, EA, FB, E7, (4E), 2A, DH, 4F, 6H. (4E), 2A, DH, 4F, 6H. F6, F2, 3-7, 4G, 4H. (5-4), ED, G4, BF, EF. FH, 3G, 5A, 7C, 9-7. EF, FH, A3, 4-2, 3F. (6H), DG, 3-3, HC, 3G. Nine H, 2H, HF, HD, FB. 4B, HB, CH, 4H, 67. FC, G5, 6932, D3. Three 7, GF, 5C, 66, A4. 4692, 7F, DE, D4. 9H, C4, F6, 6G, HH. DD, C7, 6B, HF, 37. Nine 5, E7, AH, 9H, 2G. C3, B3, HA, 43, F4. 3C, F7, 4D, 4G, AB. A9, 3E, DF, F3, B9. Nine 6, 9E, B7, H9, H5. EC, D7, 4C, B6, 5G. Three E, C9, A3, A6, 7, 4. Five B, H5, E9, HE, 4C.
Our last one for 6th grade, we're going to do the out of district.
Five 4. FD, AB, CG, 3H. FF, 5B, 7A, HA, 4, HA. 7-6, 4B, H9, CC, 2-4. 2F, H5, 6-9, D5, HH. HC, HG, F5, 4-5, GG. Three 2, 2-4, 4H, FB, 3-3. 6H, 9-2, B4, F3, 7H. FC, GB, 4F, 75, HA, 4. DF, 4C, GH, 7B, 97. 5A, 7E, AD, EG, 4A. B3, C6, DA, E5, 5-3. DH, 5G, 5D, B6, C4. FC, GB, 4F, 75, H4. Four, GC, A6, FF, E9, B5, C3, 2C. Seven B, H7, G2, 3F, CC. CF, H4, 6B, 9H, 4-4. Six F, BG, B4, 6H, EA. D6, G3, 3-7, 7D, 5-5. GC, H2, C7, CF, B2. Five E, 9B, GE, A2, B4. Three G, 2E, GE, 5A, 9-7. DF, 4C, GH, 7B, 9-7. G9, ED, F9, H4, 7-2. Three, 6, F3, E7, EF, F9. FC, 2C, A6, 2-4, 9-2. DF, 4C, GH, 7B, 97, (2E), DC, 3C, FD, DA, DG, 22, 7H, 3D, B9, DG, 22, 7H, 3D, B9, DG, 22, 7H, 3D, B9, D2, C4, 96, CE, DE.
That concludes the 6th grade. We're going to move on to 7th grade. We're going to start with the 7th grade siblings in Somerset.
46, GE, 9D, 66, GC, A4, 2A, 7G, ED, FH, Four, 7, 3, 4, G3, 6A, 3A, F3, E6, HB, 4B, BA.
Now we're going to do Somerset in district.
GB, CE, 6E, HA, 62. Seven A, EG, H3, H3, E3. Three, 2, A7, 9E, A5, H7. Four C, 3H, E3, 7A, 6-5. FB, 3-7, G4, 7-4, HF. Seven E, D, HD, 7C, EE, CD. Six, 9, 6C, BF, FD, B6. G2, E6, HF, 9E, 7-5. A4, FE, 7C, AE 9-4. EB 7A 7C 3727. A5 9G B2 DF 25. Six E DE GH HG GF. Three two A9 F6 9472. AH A9 4C 4A DC. EF, EH F4 56 DH 35. FC D5 6F 99 A3. FE 2E BF CH DD. D GA D5 B4 3C. Nine 4 GA 59 B3 F7. Two G E6 HF 9E 75. Two 5 3A 7G 6274. D2 9A CC 9725. CD HA 36 94 D5. Three 2 A9 F6 9472. A6 C2 H7 2D 75. DG 37 D2 73 4A. GB BB 3D 4H DF. Three 2 A9 F6 9472. HF GA 6E 4C 2C. G2 E6 HF 9E 75. Four A 72 FB 44 GF. 3-2 A7 9E AH H7. Three 2 A7 9E A5 H7.
And now we're going to do 7th grade out of district.
AH, 2G, D7, CB, 35. C6, D7, HH, 66, DF. Three A, DE, FE, F5, EH. EE, BH, EB, 7B, 2B. Three B, 9H, GA, AB, 4G. DA, 6A, B7, DH, 7-3. GF, 9-2, FB, 6G, DB. A2, DE, C7, DG, 9G. Two A, 3-9, 4A, 2D, HD. Five, AG, 3G, 6H, 4D. Six, 9, FC, A5, 2, 3, 3A. EE, BH, EB, 7B, 2B. Three D, 5-9, D2, 6A, DG. D3, C9, 3-9, 7B, 6G. For F, D5, 9B, 3-2, B7. For C, 9F, H2, 2-6, 7-5. Three B, 9H, GA, AB, 4G. A9, G3, 5-9, E2, 7C. Five, 2, 6C, EE, 2C, 7A. Six, 6, FC, 7B, 9A, D6. BD, 2B, 2-5, AH, GH. Nine, 4, D6, 2E, AA, DE. Three C, F4, DA, 7-4, 7-6. CB, 2F, 6A, 4A, 7H. Six, 3, 9, 3, 7C, 6B, DH. AD, A3, C2, DH, 42. B9, 4D, 34, 7B, B7. 73, B7, AH, ED, 7C. DA, 26, 4G, 3F, 6D. EE, BH, EB, 7B, 2B. Three 7, 4F, F2, 6E, C3.
And that concludes 7th grade. We're going to move on to 8th grade.
We're going to do siblings first.
Yeah, we can do siblings first. Yeah.
Siblings, okay.
We're going to start with 8th grade siblings in Somerset.
B4, 4E, FG, 66, 5A. FC, 2E, A6, E2, CD. Now we want to do
Let's do New Brunswick in district. Yeah. We're going to go over to New Brunswick in district.
Was pretty quick. Put down by 8:30, I guess. But this is the Harry, your lecture. This is the shortest one.
okay, so this is New Brunswick.
Yes. This is 8th grade, New Brunswick.
EH, AH, 5A, B7, 5E. F7, BG, GC, BC, 5D. FB, G9, AH, G6, F4. G9, 36, 96, F6, 7F. H5, DC, 27, 25, 95. Six 4, 2 6, 6 3, 3 H, E A. CE 5 6, 3 F, C6, 6 6. A2, 3A, F4, 6H, E9. H5, DC, 27, 25, 95. Three A, 99, CF, A3, F4, A5, 2-2, BD, E4, 7-7, B, BE, 6-9, E7, GF, D, 2D, A9, A7, 5-3, H5, BF, A9, DF, 7-7, Five, 6, 7, 5, 2, 5, 3A, 2, 6. Seven H, 2D, CD, F9, G9. 9-7, C9, 3-5, C7, 2A. CD, 5E, H9, HB, 2C. DF, A5, D3, DG, 4H. District, Somerset.
Now we're doing 8th grade in district for Somerset.
Two H, 6-4, G2, 2A, 7G. Four, 3, C4, 5C, 4H, FA. B4, 4B, 2C, C9, GC. 4-5, 6-2, 4-6, 7F, GE. G7, GE, 6-3, 9A, GD. Three, 6, F4, 4-4, 4FA, BC. Nine E, 3H, 2-5, ED, 3-3. Four, 5, 2-9, CA, A4, 6H. D2, 5G, C6, ED, H4. CC, 7B, HC, EH, FB. F4, 4H, CD, 3E, E2. B2, 6-5, 9-6, G, C, D, B. F, E. AE, A6, G3, 2D, C5, E, F6, 6B, AE, F3, G, 2-4, 3H, 7, F7, 6B, E9, 3H, H3, 4B, 3H, H9, 7-9, H4, 2D, G, G. HF, GC, 5H, 7-7, EF. F, BC, 9-2, AG, EE. H4, GE, AG, B2, AH. E, 5-2, 3E, EB, 2-2. H3, 7-7, F4, C2, 2-7. F, 3C, 4C, 3-3, B7. Five 9, 5-2, 7-3, 5E, H3.
And now 8th grade out of district.
E6, 7F, C5, 2E, GE. C6, G2, D7, F4, 7F. B, 9D, HD. DG, B5, A2, 2H, FG. H4, FH, 6E, CF, D2. A2, 5E, FC, G5, 5B. B, H3, G9, 4A, B2. Nine 2, HE, FG, 3C, 3-5. For H, E7, EC, 6-2, 2H. CD, 3C, 9C, 5-9, 9D. EE, 6F, 6-7, AH, D4. For F, AF, 7-2, DH, 5-2. G4, EA, 6-5, H6, 9F. E3, C9, 5H, AH, EA. DG, 5B, A2, 2H, FG. Four, 5, F2, A2, GD, HH. DG, B5, A2, 2H, FG. G6, E2, CH, A9, CF. Nine, 5, 9, 6, AH, FD, F6. 6, 2, C3, EF, 9, 2, 5G.
That concludes 8th grade. We're going to move on to high school, 9th grade. We'll start with 9th.
Four G, D4, B9, 3-2, G6. 2-3, 5D, 2D, F5, FG. BH, GB, G9, B6, 5C.
Moving to 9th grade in district.
E9, 2-2, EF, 4A, E4. HG, 4G, CF, DH, AD. C5, BC, F7, EE, 5-3. F7, 3E, 6-3, 2-3, AG. Two, 5, 3E, HG, A6, A9. DF, 7G, 97, 74, 97. 7G, EF, 7E, D9, 4E. AD, 4A, H4, 9B, 9D. Seven B, 3-6, D7, D6, HA. DC, B5, 9H, F9, 6A. Three H, 7H, 7, 4, 4B, 9C. A2, 2, 5, HC, 6, 2, 7, 7. 5C, C7, HD, EF, 5B. CH, FB, E2, 2H, 4A. GF, 5H, B4, FH, CB. AG, HC, 6B, BD, 5, 9. AG, HB, 3, 2. AA, DA. Four G, FA, BD, 99, 4D. HB, 7, 2, 3, 5. FE, 6, 2. Six, 9, 5, 7. GD, 4, 5. GC. Three, 5, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 3C. Two, 2, FG, B5, 5, 4, 4, 9. CH, FB, E2, 2H, 4A. AC, B2, 9, 4, CC, 9, 3. BB, GD, D3, B2, 7B. BE, B4, 4, 9, CD, D5. DF, 7G, 9, 7, 7, 4, 9, 7. DF, 7G, 9, 7, 7, 4, 9, 7. Five F, H4, DF, F7, E4. 2B, 6F, CD, 2B, DB. Three 6, 2C, 9-2, AG, 4D, 4G. HC, GD, 6-2, GF, G2. CH, FB, E2, 2H, 4A. D, D9, FC, GE, CH. Five H, CA, C6, G9, C4. Two G, H3, BF, 2-4, E5. Two B, 6F, CD, 2B, DB. Two B, 6F, CD, 2B, DB. BB, GD, D3, B2, 7B. C4, C6, 7F, 9B, 9F. Three E, 5-2, HG, EC, 3D. Two 7, 7H, BH, 5-7, 5-3. BB, GD, D3, B2, 7B. Nine 7, C5, D3, C5, 4C. B5, 5-3, 2F, C9, CD. Six F, AD, 9, C9, C7, GB. Nine H, FB, EH, 3-7, 7B. H2, AD, D3, FE, AH. Seven G, 9-5, 4D, 5-5, 3-7. C3, B3, 9G, A9, HD. 6-3, G7, 4B, BC, 2A, HE, 4B, B7, 6G, 3, 4. BA, 3, 6, AG, HC, A9. Two here. Just one, okay. CE, BE, 4H, G4, CB, 7, 2F, 6A, BD, BG, H6, 3-9, BF, 6-7, Three, 4, CA, FC, 2-9, DC, DD, HF, HE, 4-5, 6-4, A2, DG, GF, AA, 2H, C2, 7-3, F2, DE, GH, D7, G2, 6-9, 5-6, AE, for G, D3, 6G, 9-7, H5, FF, 7-7, FG, 7E, AG, C7, 2-7, 2G, 4G, CG, E4, BF, 2-6, H7, 6-7, 6-4, 7-3, 5H, G3, 5G, Seven, 3, 9.
You're saving the file, right?
What was that?
You're saving the file, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
File is being saved.
I'm about to take it. Guys make me fire.
Okay, ready? We'll do siblings. 7, GF, G9, 6, 7. 2, 3, FE, DH, FG, 3, 6. GG, 5E, G6, B3, 7, 5, 9A, FE, GC, 4B, 5, 4, 7, 4, 5, 5. C4, H7, 3, 4, 4, 2, GF. G6, B3, 7, 5, 9A, FE. C4, H7, 3, 4, 4, 2, GF. EG, BA, 7C, 3B, CG.
Tenth grade out of district.
CH, HA, EG, 2E, 7C. Two C, HA, 3, 9, BF, 6C. 3D, FG, H2, FA, C4. 3, 7, D6, 6, 9, 7E, G2. 9, 6, H3, 5, 6, A3, C5. 2, 9, CB, EG, 9A, 4, 7. 7, 7, A7, C6, HH, A7. DA, 3, 4, 7E, DE, 9, 7. H2, D5, 9G, FD, CA. 4, 9, FC, 5F, E6, 5, 6.
That's the end of 10th grade. We're going to move on to 11th. We'll begin with 11th grade siblings. Sibling.
H3, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 2, 7, 5. district.
In district, yes.
3D, D7, CB, 2A, 7C. DH, DE, 6B, DF, 9H. B5, 5E, G3, 9-3, BA. DB, 4H, AG, CD, 4-2.
11th grade out of district.
A9, 7F, 7D. Two B, 9F, DD, 3-2, EE. BA, 4-7, FD, F6, 7G. DD, DH, 3A, BF, 3-9. FE, 4-9, 3A, 2G, 2A.
Twelfth grade out of district.
A, 2H, BC, H2, A4. 3H, DC, 2-3, 7-5, CH.
And with that, we conclude our upper school lottery. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.